Hey, welcome back to my channel. CURT 16411 fifth wheel installation brackets. When you purchase a fifth wheel trailer hitch, you expect it to be capable of towing your RV, flatbed, or whatever other fifth wheel trailer you own. While a fifth wheel hitch does offer an impressive amount of towing strength, it cannot get far without the proper installation equipment. Engineered for specific makes and models, CURT custom fifth wheel brackets provide the ideal solution for complementing the power of your fifth wheel trailer hitch. A custom fifth wheel bracket features a shape that contours to the frame of your truck and uses pre-drilled holes in the frame wherever possible to make installation quick and easy. Depending on your model of pickup truck, they also reduce or eliminate the need for drilling. These particular custom fifth wheel brackets offer a custom fit for certain model years of the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD. Finished in a durable liquid A-coat, CURT custom fifth wheel brackets are made to last. They include all necessary mounting hardware and are designed to be used in conjunction with CURT industry standard fifth wheel base rails number 16104 or number 16204. Solid mount. These fifth wheel mounting brackets are ideal for fifth wheel hitch installation. They bolt onto the truck frame with included hardware and provide a dependable mounting platform for fifth wheel hitch rails. Vehicle specific. These fifth wheel brackets have a truck specific design for a custom fit. They fit select models of the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD. Standard fit. These fifth wheel brackets mount underneath the truck bed and are designed to accept industry standard fifth wheel rails above the truck bed. These brackets should be used with a CURT rail kit number 16104 or number 16204. Easy to install. With their custom fit design, these brackets are engineered for specific pickup truck applications, making fifth wheel installation faster, easier, and more secure. Corrosion resistant. For long-lasting resistance to rain, snow, mud, road salt and more, these fifth wheel installation brackets are shielded in a rust-resistant A-coat. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.